Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel, Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful and a very purified collection of studs for you, and I hope you like this beautiful fashion video also. So guys, it's a very attractive and a very beautiful video. So don't skip this new fashion video. And please watch this beautiful video till the end. And basically, as I've told you that this video is of a stud earring, and I'm telling you the exact meaning of a stud earring. We all know that a stud earring is a piece, and it is a small piece of jewelry that is worn through a small hole in the earlobe. An example of a stud earring is a small diamond set in gold and worn in the earlobe also. Stud means a sexually attractive male. It's an informal term. This term comes from the fact that maybe one horse and many wears in a horse ranch. So guys, if you are interested in this beautiful video of my channel, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing, as I've told you that what is the exact meaning of a stud earring. So I told you that these are very attractive also and very suitable for you, because they weight are very light and very light in weight, so you can wear them anywhere, anytime, as a casual wear or any event or any hangouts also. So it's depend on you and your mood, as I've told you before that I'm just advising you. I'm not preferring that you have to wear these type of dresses or these type of earrings or studs. I'm not saying that you have to wear these type. Just depend on you, which is as I've told you before. So I'm just telling you that these are very beautiful. So just try this new fashion video also, and tell me if you are interested in this video or not, or if you want to see any other fashion video. You may tell me in the comment box. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the very purified collection and a very purified fashion video for you. So guys, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for supporting and for liking and sharing it. And guys, please subscribe to my channel and please keep liking and sharing my all videos. And guys, please respect your parents and elders also if you want a successful and a very beautiful life. And remember me in your beautiful prayer also. And it's a very attractive and a very different collection of my channel, and it's a very latest video of my channel also. So guys, my video almost has been ended. I hope that you like this video too. So take care of yourself. Bye bye, see you soon. Allah Hafiz.